Nestled in the heart of the Himalayas, at an altitude of 3,860 meters, stands Tengboche Monastery, a place where silence, spirituality, and mountains come together. Originally built in 1916 by Lama Gulu, the monastery has long been a spiritual center of the Khumbu region. Though it was damaged by an earthquake in 1934 and later destroyed by a fire in 1989. It was rebuilt each time, standing today as a powerful symbol of resilience and devotion. Tengboche is also spiritually connected to Rongbuk Monastery, located on the northern side of the Mount Everest. This connection reflects the deep-rooted Buddhist traditions that unite communities across the Himalayas. Is the largest monastery in the Everest region, Tengboche holds immense religious significance. The sound of monks chanting prayers fills the air, creating a peaceful atmosphere that resonates with every traveler who passes through. But what truly makes Tengboche unforgettable is its breathtaking setting. From here, visitors can enjoy a sweeping panoramic view of the Himalayas, including Mount Everest along with iconic Amadablam and towering Lhotse. These peaks rise dramatically above the clouds, creating one of the most spectacular mountain vistas on the Everest Base Camp trek. On clear days, Tengboche becomes even more magical. At sunrise and sunset, visitors can witness the golden glow of sunlight touching the summit of Everest, a breathtaking moment where the highest peak in the world shines in the shadow of the gold and amber. The monastery lies within the Sagarmatha National Park, a region rich in a natural beauty, from lush rhododendron forests to the rare Himalayan wildlife. For trekkers heading towards the Everest Base Camp, Tengboche is more than just a stop. It is a vital acclimatization point and place to reconnect with both nature and self. Here, the journey slows down, the air feels deeper, and the mountains feel closer than ever. Tengboche is not a just destination, it is a moment of peace beneath the giant of the Himalayas. Thank you so much for your time to watching us and to hearing us and to learning from us. To more, please follow us and keep watching our videos in our YouTube channel called Traveler's Mirror. Thank you very much. Have a good time. God bless you. Have a peaceful mind.